In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check order usage inside your hosting at Hpanel. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you're looking to monitor your hosting resources effectively. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Hostinger website. Hostinger is a popular platform that provides web hosting services to countless websites, so it's a great place to start bringing your online ideas to life. Once you're on their homepage, look for the login option. It's usually prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on login and you'll be directed to the login interface. Next, you'll need to enter your account credentials. If you've already created an account, simply input your email and password. And if you're using a password manager, this process should be even smoother as it can autofill that information for you. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Hostinger, what they refer to as the home. It's here where you can access all your hosting services and settings. From the home dashboard, the next thing you're going to do is locate the manage button. This might be located next to the hosting plan you want to check order usage for. Click on this manage button and it will take you to a detailed view of your hosting plan and its various settings. Now, among the options that appear, look for the hosting plan section. Clicking on this will provide you with an overview of the hosting services you've subscribed to. This is an essential step as it helps you verify that you're examining the correct hosting plan if you have more than one. With that done, it's time to check your resource usage. You'll see an option labeled resources usage. Click on it. This section is incredibly valuable as it provides insights into how much of your plan's resources are being consumed. You can monitor things like CPU usage, memory, entry processes, and more. This data is critical to ensure that your website runs smoothly and effectively without any bandwidth hiccups. Finally, if you'd like a more detailed breakdown, you might find a secondary resources usage button. Clicking here can offer you a deeper dive into the specifics of your order usage metrics. It's useful for troubleshooting or planning future resource upgrades if needed. And there you have it, you've successfully checked your order usage within Hostinger's Hpanel. By keeping tabs on your hosting usage, you can better manage your resources, optimize your website's performance, and plan for any necessary upgrades in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy hosting!